Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Okay, today on Chef Michael's Food Hacks, as I was saying, we are making patty melts. Something from my childhood and maybe yours. Okay, for the patty melts, I've got some sprouted grain bread, and instead of using butter, I use plant butter, which I'm trying out. This is made with avocado oil, which is kind of cool, so we'll see how that's made out. It's made from cashews and avocado oil. Yummy. So I put that on the bread. Now, the bread's frozen, okay? So you want to put that down on the grill, hear the sizzle? You want to make sure the griddle's hot. This is very quick, that's why I'm doing it on camera, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Now we're going to put a piece of, I've got some extra sharp aged cheddar cheese sliced. It's just what I like. You can use Swiss, you can use Munster, you can use pepper jack, use whatever kind of cheese you like. Now I grilled some onions, so those go down on each one of the sandwiches real quick. See how fast this is? That's why I'm not stopping the camera, because I want to show you how quick it is. It's really fast. Okay, now I've got some hamburger patties that I heated up in the microwave. Don't do this at home because I've got oven-proof hands. So that's what I'm doing, okay? Now I've already got the other side made. So I'm going to flip it, so I'm going to grab it real quick. I'm going to put it on top. And it's already started to cook, see? So I'm not going to move this to the middle now. I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. I'm going to push it on, pour it on top. Now this is, I was just telling my son, it's like a grilled cheese with a hamburger in between it. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to put some weight on this, and then I'll show you what they look like when they're done, okay? I'm going to use this pan to put weight on it. And I'm going to put my pot in there. I'll show you real quick what I'm going to do actually. Okay? Just make sure it's balanced, but you need weight on it for it to, see, there we go. You need weight on it for it to cook properly. So the hamburger will heat the rest of the way through, the cheese will melt, and we will have delicious patty melts from my childhood, okay? And by the way, you can use vegetarian burgers, you can use turkey burgers, doesn't matter. And what I did was, as I'm always telling you, make sure you cook a little extra when you cook, because the next night you can make something that's a little less complicated. You can make dinner in 6 minutes with this, okay? Okay, there it is, patty melt. Hamburger with onions on either side, sprouted grain bread, sharp cheddar, delish, and some air fried french fries and a little tomato. This is basically how it was served to me when I was a kid, except a lot less healthier. And the french fries are air fried. Okay, I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Please stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.